Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Guys, have you tried this TikTok breakfast sandwich? I bet it's good! So let's go and try it! First, let's whisk 3 eggs. Now let's go to my stove. Oops! I forgot to put salt and pepper to taste. Then, let's whisk. Now, let's grease our pan in oil. And add the eggs. Let's add the bread slices and coat them on both sides with the egg. Be sure the bottom crust go together so the bread lines up when folded together. Now let's flip in 1, 2, 3, go! Now let's add our cheese on top of the bread. Next, let's add the ham. Now let's fold both sides. And fold the 2 slices of bread together. There you go. Flip until the bottom gets brown or until you get the color you like. And this is done. Let's slice in a triangle for a nice plating shot. And voila! There you go, our TikTok breakfast sandwich. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.